Outwardly, most of the great siddhas of India looked like unimpressive beggars. Their lives were not filled with conspicuous deeds of grandiose charity. But inwardly, they had realized emptiness, and their minds were constantly overflowing with love and compassion for all beings. In Tibet, too, Jetsun Milarepa was the same. He never made grand offerings or performed a lot of meritorious deeds for everyone to see. Yet Milarepa is considered foremost among all the enlightened yogins of India and Tibet, and has been able to turn the minds of countless beings all over the world toward the Dharma, because he completely cast off all self-clinging and realized emptiness. If you remain unable to master your own mind, to have studied many scriptures and to have met many spiritual masters will be of no real help to you.